Now, if you're like me, you've probably taken any random scrap of wood, clamped it to the miter saw fence, and called it good for a stop block. But that just doesn't cut it for Dan Martin from Galena, Ohio. So he came up with something a little bit more unique, and you can see it right here. Now, it's a two-part miter saw stop system here. But this one has a little bit more going on, and it all centers around this clamped on section here. There's a hex bolt that passes through that and a T-nut installed in the block, and that engages with a rare earth magnet on the end of the movable section. So when this is loosened up, I can just rotate that hex bolt to fine-tune the position of the stop. Once I have everything all dialed in, I can crank down that knob, lock it in place, and now that I know that all the parts that I need to cut are going to be spot on. Now you might wonder why there's such a long snout on this stop block, and that's for when you need to cut short pieces. It spans the distance from the miter saw fence system all the way up to get you pretty close to the blade. So if you're looking to upgrade your miter saw fence system, this tip might just be your huckleberry.